Ever wish your skin could actually act younger, not just look it? Ha! It's possible. Let me introduce you to one of my favorite peptides, GHK, or the copper peptide, or GHK-Copper, or GHK-Cu. GHK is in there somewhere. It is a bioregulator peptide, which means it works by binding to DNA and turning on or off expression of about 4,000 genes related to vitality and health. And actually, there's a research review paper called GHK and DNA, Resetting the Human Genome to Health. Boom! What a title. So what does GHK actually do? It accelerates wound healing and tissue repair in multiple animal and human skin models, improving new tissue formation at wound healing sites and in the skin. Granulation tissue formation, for example, which is the new delicate tissue that forms in a wound site, and it also improves production of collagen and extracellular matrix components. Extracellular matrix is that supporting mesh between your cells that holds tissues together, gives them tensile strength, and helps them heal and communicate. I used to study it in my postdoctoral work. So how does it do this? It shifts the expression of genes towards a pro-generative or regenerative, anti-inflammatory, and antifibrotic profile, including genes involved in cellular architecture. That's the ECM, also antioxidant defense, and tissue remodeling. So it favors healthy proliferation and function of repair-relevant cells in cultured cells, enhancing collagen and structural matrix components. And it likely supports stem cell or stem cell-like activity in the repair microenvironment. We don't have direct evidence for that, but there's a lot of genes it promotes expression of around stem cells. So you may have heard of GHK from the beauty industry. It's a very popular peptide in that space for several reasons. And that in part is because it works below the epidermis, or your skin's surface layer, telling it to make more collagen and elastin, to repair damage, and to calm inflammation. That means firmer, thicker, smoother skin over time. Not overnight, takes a little bit of time. But in studies, GHK copper creams improved skin density and thickness, reduced fine lines and wrinkles, and evened out tone and sun damage in photo-aged skin. Pretty cool, hey? And it doesn't stop at skin. GHK can be used to support any kind of injury, like connective tissue. It can also support hair growth by improving scalp health, stimulating follicles there, like there's shampoos you can get with GHK in there. And it also helps the hairs stay in the growth phase for longer. If you're over 40 and serious about healthy aging, GHK is one of the few topicals actually with real science behind it. And you can take it by subcutaneous injection or topical. Look for a well-formulated serum. Start slow, a few nights a week, and give it at least 12 weeks. It's not fast, but it works. And it's worth noting that the injectable form is by far the cheapest. If you want topical, it's hard to find quality, so bear that in mind. That said, I've been enjoying the line of products from a company called Vitali, Vitali. I'm not affiliated, but I believe there is a link in my shop. They're some of the most potent copper peptides on the market. Most of them are too low in concentration. You want like 2 or 3%.